Welcome to the Guess the Movie by Emoji Challenge. Ready to decode emojis. And guess which movies we're talking about? Get ready for 40 mind-bending emoji puzzles that will have you laughing, scratching your head, and maybe even yelling, "I totally know that." Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Let's see if you're the emoji movie master. Let's start with easy. Star Wars, a stellar start to the quiz. Let's see if you can guess the next one. Iron Man, you're nailing this like a superhero. All right, here's your next word. Good luck. Firefighter, those were the first three. Have you guessed them all so far? This one is a bit more challenging. Let's see if you can get this one right. Spider-Man, swinging in with a perfect guess. Here's the next one for you to tackle. Wonder Woman, that's some heroic guessing. All right, on to the next one. Black Panther, you've got the strength of Wakanda behind you. Let's see what's next. Ant-Man, small but mighty, you got it. Ready for the next one? Here we go. Aquaman, making waves with your guesses. Here's another one coming your way. Deadpool, you broke the fourth wall with that guess. Let's keep the fun going. Next up, Green Lantern, that's a glowing success. All right, here's your next challenge. X-Men, you're mutating into a quizmaster. Let's see if you can guess this one. Kingsman, sharp, classy, and on point. Here comes your next word. Ghostbusters, who you gonna call? Yourself for being awesome. All right, here's another one for you. Hellboy, that's a fiery guess. Next one's up. Good luck. Blade Runner, you cut right to the answer. Can you keep this streak alive? Let's see. Moonlight, you're glowing with brilliance. All right, let's move on to the next one. Birdman, you're flying high with that guess. Let's see what's next. Zombieland, you nailed that one. Killer guess. Ready for the next one? Let's go. Space Jam, a slam dunk for you. All right, here comes the next challenge. Shutter Island, a picture-perfect guess. That's 20 down. How are you doing so far? Let's keep going. Rain Man, you've got this quiz forecasted perfectly. Here's the next one. Good luck. Dark Knight. Gotham would be proud of that guess. All right, let's see if you can get the next one. Hunger Games. You're playing to win. Here's another word. Go for it. Catch fire. You're on fire with these guesses. Let's see if you can keep it going. Twilight. That was a dazzling guess. All right, here's your next challenge. Skyfall. You're reaching for the stars with that one. Let's see if you can guess the next one. Underworld. You've got this dark one covered. All right, on to the next one. Edge Tomorrow. You're living on the edge with that guess. Let's keep the streak alive. Next up. Snowpiercer, cool, sharp, and right on target. Can you guess the next one? Let's find out. Waterworld. That was a splashy success. Here's your next word. Good luck. Jungle Book. That was wildly accurate. All right, let's keep the fun going. Next up. Braveheart. That was a bold and fearless guess. Ready for the next challenge? Here it comes. Starship Troopers, you're a true quiz trooper. Here comes your next challenge. Get ready. Time Machine. That was a timeless guess. All right, here's your next word. Good luck. Jurassic Park. Dynamite job on that one. Let's see if you can guess this one. Avengers. You're assembling all the right answers. Here's the next one. Good luck. Pacific Rim. That was a wave of success. Let's keep the momentum going. Next up. Slumberland. That was a dreamy guess. Here's your next word. Stay sharp. DreamWorks. You're working magic with these guesses. Let's move on to the next one. Warcraft. You've conquered this one. That's a wrap. Movie buffs. How many did you get right? Whether you're a movie pro or just here for the laughs, drop your score in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe because we've got even more movie madness coming your way. See you at the next quiz, movie lovers.